This year, my fourth grade students were instructed to use binders for science and social studies. I got tired of reprinting, even though I wanted them to have the notes so they could review. I found this site called LiveBinders. It's an online website that offers digital binder to upload and save information. It is a free tool and doesn't require any download. To begin, you're going to go to the website, www.livebinders.com, and you're going to click sign up for a free. So you have two options. You may sign up with your Google account, or you may sign up with another email address. On this website, you have a public username. If you choose to sign up through Google, your Google email will be your username. However, if you sign up with another email, you will be able to choose your username. You'll also be sent an email to confirm your account. This doesn't have to be done immediately, but you don't want to forget and lose access to your account. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the LiveBinders homepage. On this homepage, you'll find all your binders that you created and some organizational tools. Right now, you should only have a practice binder. We'll click that in a moment to practice adding content. For now, let's explore the organizational tools offered by the website. On the top row, you have binder, new shelf, uploaded files, binder stats, view comments, and deleted binders. I'll go over them very quickly with you. However, I do encourage you to click around to get more familiarity with all the buttons. A new binder will create just that, a new blank binder for you to name, describe, and add resources to. Shelves hold your binders, just like a regular shelf. So you might create a math shelf, for example, to hold each different unit of math that you've created a binder for. Upload files allows you to upload different articles, photographs over and over again and keep them on easy retrieval. This will let you know how many views you've gotten on your binders, maybe the comments that you've gotten. This could be very useful for teachers who want to see how many people are logging on to maybe study or to retrieve information. View comments will do just that. You'll allow yourself to view comments on all your binders, especially new comments, and access some that you've recently deleted. On this left column over here, all right, you have announcement. Right under here, you see my first announcement is, you probably see this as well. Underneath announcement, you have all my binders. This will give you access to your public binders that other people can see working on them, as well as assigned binders in case maybe a colleague sent something to you. This is something your students may see when you assign a binder to them. All right, lastly, on this column, you have my shelves. This will show you the different shelves you made. Maybe one for math, one for reading, one for writing. All right, you can also sort your binders, maybe by most recent, alphabetical, most viewed, and other things. For your free account, you can only create 5 free binders. However, you can upgrade to have unlimited binders. Now, let's create a new binder. It'll ask you for a name, a description, maybe some tags if you want to be found by others. You can decide whether it's public or private before you create it. Your first binder will come with a tour from the website, and I'll go along with that with you. All right, so firstly, you're going to start out with 3 tabs. They're navy blue. You see them here in the background, just like tabs in a binder. Each tab it can be a web page, text, an uploaded document, a URL, multimedia, and I'll show you right up here. My cursor is, let's click to add that. Secondly, right under the tab, you have the option to enter a URL. That's where you would enter a web page that maybe you want your colleagues, your students to go to. Adding content, again, you can upload files, other text. Your binder settings, change the name, maybe the description, maybe you want to go a different route. You can also change the colors of your tabs, maybe to go along with your school colors or a specific unit. I can't quite see that one. You can share your binders. You can embed it. You can provide a link to others. Here you will find your content. Right? These are some of the to your binder. I do suggest just practicing on your own personal one, maybe making it fun and doing all types of things. You'll definitely do more as you get more accustomed to it, but I do think you are going to love this website. Enjoy.